Well, hi everyone. We are in St. Peter's Village in Chester County, Pennsylvania. And as you can tell, it is another rainy day. So I thought it would be fun, even though it's raining, that we could walk through St. Peter's Village and check out the shops here. And I think there may be like a new shop or two here, and I haven't been here in quite some time, so I just thought it would be a nice walk through this town because it is so charming and really unique for this area. So we parked right at the historic St. Peter's Inn and Restaurant, and I thought we would just walk down the right side. Well, cross back over here to the right side. There was a car there pulling out, and I didn't know if he saw me or not, but I thought we would walk down the right side of the village and then go check out the creek, and then we'll head back down the left side of the village. So right here to our right, this is a cute little gift shop, and look at these neat tiles they have on this wood thing here. This is really pretty here. And St. Peter's is a really artistic village. They have a lot of, just really unique items here. So I think at some point over the summer, I would like to come back here and walk in and out of the stores and actually see what's in these neat gift shops. But really pretty things right here that they have out on display, some tile work and some concrete things. And I know that's a gift shop there. And this is a boutique. I don't know if this has been here for a while, but I don't remember ever seeing it. And it's called Alley-Oop Boutique. So that looks really cute. And they are open today. Today is a Thursday, and some of these stores are open during the work week, and then other stores are only open on the weekends. Now, I'm not sure when it's busier in the summer if they open pretty much all day, but you can check online. This store right in front here is called the Fox and Frog Apothecary. And I heard it's a really neat store. They're closed right now, but we'll definitely stop back here in the summer and go through and tour the gift shops and restaurants and stuff like that. But really pretty scenery here. It looks like they might have some antiques and unique, artistic things in this store. So let's keep going. We'll turn right and we will head to our next place. And I think we can kind of go around and up to the top of the Fox and Frog Apothecary. There's some stairs that lead up here, so we'll check them out next. So it looks like there are some antiques out in the yard, and then there's this cute little tiki bar with a TV up at the top of the steps. That's really cute. So they must have some stuff going on here. And then here's a cool sign, men to the left, because women are always right. Is that right? I think it might be right. Just saying. But anyway, look at this cute, adorable tiki bar with a TV. And then here's the back of the Fox and Frog Apothecary. So it definitely looks like they probably have some more antiques and gift items for sale back here. So looking forward to checking that out in the, on a nice sunny day. So we'll head back down these steps, and there's one really adorable house that I saw right down here on the right. We'll head there next. And St. Peter's Village has a lot of history. It was built back in the mid 1800s, and it was like a company village, and this village was built by the Canower family, and there's actually a town right near here called Canower Town. But this village, it housed the workers that worked nearby here in the iron mines and granite quarries. So just a little bit of history. But look how cute this is. Let's walk up these steps. I don't know if the camera's catching all these rainbow lights. It looks so adorable. And this is a little house. It's not open now, but it's a souvenir and gift shop. And this place is called Pop Rock's Mini Mercantile. And I don't remember ever seeing this. Maybe it was here. It's just been a little while, but I'm excited to come back here. And apparently they have some St. Peter souvenirs and merch. That's pretty cool. So we'll definitely have to check this out. And they also have water for $1. So that's awesome. My husband always jokes with me because that's how I say water I say water, like just how it's spelled right there, Wooder. So what do you guys say? Do you say water or do you say water? So I'm a water girl. So that's all I've always said it that way. And I know some people think that's funny, but anyway, that was a cute little sign there. So we're heading across the street now to the other side. And this cute little place is called the Snug, and they serve hard cider here. And I also think they have some local PA beers here as well. I've never been here, but it looks really cute. And I think they're only open on the weekends. So this is a really cute place. So we'll walk down here, and I just want to peek over to the left because we can see the creek right here. And that is the French Creek, and doesn't that look beautiful? And then this is the arcade. This is not open now. I think this may be open on the weekends, but it was established in 1988, and I think they have some nostalgic pinball machines in there. I'm not sure if there's other games as well, but I know they have pinball machines in there. So that's kind of cool. And I also apologize. I'm having some trouble with my microphone today. I'm not sure if it's from the weather, but the sound keeps cutting in and out. So if there's any kind of sound problems, I apologize for that, but I'm not sure what's up with it today. So we'll go check out the creek, but I just wanted to point out that right there, that building to the right, that's the St. Peter's Post Office. And right up here, we're going to walk up here, and then this building, it goes around to the left. There's a parking area, and if you want to go hiking, this area here behind French Creek is the Hopewell Woods. So they have trails, but I don't think the trails are well marked. So when we come back here to hike, we always kind of stay parallel with the creek because we don't know where we're going. And it's funny to see the parking lot. It's totally empty because this place does get pretty crowded, especially in the summer. So if you wanted to, get parking, there's not too much parking, but it's probably best to get here earlier than later. And we'll just walk to this bridge right here and just check out the creek. We're not hiking back that way because I'm sure it's, really muddy. So we'll just check this out. It's so pretty here. I love the French Creek flowing through here and the big boulders. And you can actually walk on these big boulders. So you just have to watch your ankles though. I see some of the kids and they're like running around on the boulders, and that would have been me a long time ago, but now I am so careful, with my footing. But isn't this beautiful? So you can hike, to the right here is the paths, and it just goes, all over the place. But you can also stay straight along the trail with this creek, and that's St. Peter's Village to the left. And it's pretty neat. My husband and I came here hiking, a year or two ago, and you can see some of the I don't know what it is, like the cut marks where they would cut the rock for the iron. So there's some kind of cool historical artifacts back here too. And we have a historical St. Peter's walk with a lot of information. So I'll link that video if you're interested, because there is a lot of really cool history here. And the rain is definitely coming down pretty good now. So we'll just walk down here. We'll walk along the right side of the village and just show you what stores and the restaurant that's here too. So that's the arcade and the snug that we already passed. So we'll just walk by here. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, some of the buildings here are actual residences. So like this house here, this is not a business, this is somebody's home. So you'll see like, private keep out signs. Obviously they don't want you like hanging out on their porch or anything like that. But the houses are so cute and the businesses are so cute. So, it's cool. You get a feel for what a mid 19th century village would look like. I don't know if they had these colors, but it's so pretty here. I just love it. My mom used to take me as a kid here, and I used to love coming here because they had the coolest stores, and I loved climbing on the big boulders. So it's pretty neat. Now, this little lookout is one of my favorites. I think it's just gorgeous. And especially this time of year, there's like flowering trees, and the colors are just beautiful, and the creek in the background. And this next building, or a couple buildings, there's a photographer, Miss Elaine Adams Photography, and she's been here a long time. And there's a gift shop here, and antique shop is right past this place. But Healing Spirit Cafe, they have neat things. I was here probably 2 or 3 years ago, so we'll definitely come into these stores as well on some nice weekend because they have really unique items in there. And then this is the antique shop, and look at these are really pretty. I like these cobalt blue oil lanterns. I've never seen them in that color blue before. It's really beautiful. I bet they have some cool things in there. And they're not open today. This antique shop is just open on the weekends. And there's French Creek down there with some more big boulders. And look at that little area. That looks like somebody's little deck. It looks like a little ferry deck. It's really, really cute. It fits perfectly right here. So this building here is the St. Peter's Bakery, but I am not sure, and you can comment if any of you guys know about this. I don't know if they're changing owners or if there's new management. I'm not sure what's going on, but I think some things are changing here. So we came here a couple times to the bakery, and they have awesome stuff. And you can take whatever you buy at the bakery, you can bring it outside. They have a beautiful back deck that overlooks the French Creek and the boulders, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully they'll be open the next time we come too. And this place is Creekside Collective. I don't know if this changed, if this used to be a gift shop, but now it is apparently a place you can rent this facility. They have a sign there, it says daily rentals. So it's a beautiful location. And then, of course, here is the St. Peter's Inn and Restaurant, and they have outdoor dining here. And on some nights they have live music, and again, this deck here overlooks the French Creek, so it's a really beautiful spot to dine. And then they have the inn that you can stay over, and it's just really charming, and just a pretty porch here. And then here's their sign: live music on Friday night and Sunday afternoon. So no Saturday music, right? That's what the sign said. Now, I don't know if that changes during the summer, but that's what it is right now. So isn't this beautiful, this porch here, and just really cool town. I definitely think St. Peter's Village is a hidden gem in Chester County. It's just so unique and, you know, really neat place. So if you're ever in the area, definitely stop by and just take a walk through the village. And here's a look at the village from this direction, and there's the inn. When we came here, there was a Amazon truck blocking the view, so I just wanted to show you how pretty it is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.